Hello, in the previous lecture, we end up with one issue that the state J1, J2, Jm, uh, which gives us fixed values for the J square and Jz, which is Jj plus 1 and M, where h cut is equals to 1 here. From now onwards, also we will denote this as shorthand notation by Jm. But this Jm didn't give the fixed values for the J1z and J2z. Whereas the state for which they give fixed values is J1, J2, M1, M2. So we conclude that there must exist a transformation in between that, as this state contains two subspaces, but this state isn't contained two subspaces. So there must exist a transformation in between them. To discover that transformation, let's say the notation Jm is equals to, by the completeness property of J1, J2, M1, M2, J1, J2, M1, M2, J1, J2, M1, M2 for the summation M1 and M2, Jm. Then the summation M1, M2, J1, J2, M1, M2, Jm, J1, J2, which is I'm just rearranging these cats, M1, M2. Okay, so we end up with the transformation from Jm to J1, J2, M1, M2, and this is the transformation. From here we can conclude that Jm and J1, J2 and M1, M2 are normalized, so this must be a unity transformation, and the summation M1, M2, J1, J2, summation M1, M2, J1, J2 must have J1, J2, M1, M2 or the Jm must have real values. J, M, J1, J2. Okay. From here we can also establish the orthonormalization relation for this coefficient which transform the Jm state to J1, J2, M1, M2 state, and from now onwards we call this coefficient Cg coefficient. It is named as Cg coefficient. The orthonormalization of Cg coefficient is J dash M dash J1, J2, M1, M2, J1, J2, M1, M2 for Jm is equals to del J dash J del M dash M. Okay, for the summation M1 and M2, which on rearranging gives us as they gives the real value, so we can write them as J1, J2, M1, M2, J dash M dash J1, J2, M1, M2, Jm equals to again del J dash J del M dash M. Now for J dash is equals to J and M dash is equals to M, we this whole orthonormalization condition will leads us to summation for M1, M2, M1, M2, J1, J2, M1, M2, Jm equals to 1 square. And same as this we can also write for J1, J2, m1 dash m2 dash jm j1 j2 m1 m2 jm equals to del m1 dash m1 and del m2 dash m2, which in particular again can be written as summation for the j and the summation for the m, j1 j2 m1 m2 jm square is equals to 1. Motherfucker.